So, I don't usually open up baseball, but I kind of got excited to open these up after hearing about the Will Ferrell inserts in these. So, I was dying to open one of these up. Probably get more of these. This is Topps Archive 2015. The real one. There's 10 inserts. Will Ferrell inserts. There's all sorts of good stuff in this. More value with the value pack. So, let's see. Could I get a Will Ferrell? Who knows? Let's see. Cliff Lee. Nice old archive style. Carlos Martinez. Chase Headley. Chase Utley. Alex Wood. Trevor May. Well, this is kind of sticking. Oh, what is this? This is a... Oh, wow. This is it's the actual yellow printing plate used to manufacture cards. Displayed as a one-of-a-kind collectible. Wow. One of one. Damn. Well, that's pretty cool. Little one of one. Not the Will Ferrell card, but Nick Castellanos, Turner Rourke, Yopanis Cepidis. I'm horrible pronouncing things. Trevor Rosenthal, Yazel Pogi, Matt Harvey, Salvador Perez, Phil Hughes, Tyson Ross, Yuzumero Petit, Will Myers, and a blank card. So, no Will Ferrell. Some nice cards. Must be some kind of other insert. And of course, we got the one of one right here. This little plate. So, alright. Well, let's open up some more of these. Alright.